This is my son Gabriel, my one and only. I managed to get at least one son. And this is Eleonora, my oldest, most gorgeous daughter. First thing first, we're gonna put the pot of water on. Ellie, please turn it on. Brava, amore. I absolutely love onions.
Me too.
Right?
So good.
We're gonna cut an onion. Take the little thing off. We're gonna keep this root in because it's gonna hold the onion together. So then we're gonna do like little layers in the onion.
Yeah.
Gabby, you wanna do it?
I'll do it.
Okay, good.
Okay, so like this, right?
Do it on the side, yeah. Yeah. Okay, Gabby.
Uh-oh.
I'm crying of joy. Just don't hold your fingers like that.
Debbie, oh my god.
Like
Go
this.
hold them like this.
Like this. But you need a little bit of
Yeah.
and use the tip of the knife. Bye.
Your knuckles have to be over your
Good,
fingertips.
good.
So you don't cut the tip of your finger
So
off.
much pressure. Good.
Now you have to do it again.
Okay, it's okay. We're gonna use this is enough onion, honey. Okay, let's just use just this much onion. Now you're gonna go over it and just go like that. You put your finger over and you just go over it and you just dice it even smaller. Okay, this is gonna be the moment we're gonna be crying. Oh my gosh. Onions are the work of God on this planet. We're gonna take this parsley, okay? We're gonna get the largest stems out for now. And then we're gonna bunch it up. When you bunch it up, like that, and then cut it, okay? But you have to go like that.
Yeah.
With the hand.
Yeah.
So that you never cut your fingers off.
Okay.
Your tips.
Yes.
Vai! 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in the saucepan. Now, what did mommy teach you? Do you need to use a measuring spoon or cup or whatever?
No.
Why?
Because trust your instinct.
Too much time, and I'm lazy.
No, that was not
I
the
think
answer.
we're both right.
You never told
What
us.
was Ellie's first?
Trust your instinct.
Right?
You just know it when you know it.
Yep.
That's right. Not laziness. Let's put the onions in.
Okay.
So you have to be careful here. You just go like that. You do not put your hand near the blade. Bravo, amore. Now it's time to turn the flame on. Why are you using this type of pasta? Like, do you even know what the difference is between good and bad pasta, Ellie?
The color.
Meh. Okay, that was good. We're getting closer. So good pasta should be what color?
Bronze.
Bronze.
Prawns.
Good. I want you to put in just a little handful of capers. Did you know that if you put salt at this point, the salt will extract all the juices out of the onions and the capers?
Oh my goodness.
What?
That's how, you know how prosciutto is made, right? It's dried with salt. It takes out all of the liquid part of anything. It's the same with veggies. Now I do want to add a tiny pinch of parsley to it.
I got it.
Ooh, don't fight. Shh. Good. Gabby, do you want to add one yourself? The fine salt for this one.
A little bit?
A little bit. And then toss it about because now it's releasing all the juices. Start smelling the aroma.
It smells so good.
Smells pretty good.
It smells delicious, okay? Guys, what's happening with the pasta water?
It's boiling.
Okay, when it boils, what do we do?
Pasta.
Put the pasta in.
Guys, before
Put salt in.
salt goes in.
Which one?
We're gonna use the coarse. You're gonna take a whole handful. Bravo. Okay, put it in. Don't burn yourself. Now the spaghetti goes in. Beautiful. Right now, the onions are perfectly fine. We do not want to burn the onions. It's gonna give it a complete different taste. So we add our ventresca yellowfin tuna. All right, beautiful. And break it up a little bit with your spoon. Yeah. Now it's very important that as the spaghetti is cooking, you brush the spaghetti strand with your tool. Mix them up. Perfect. Now we are ready to put the tomato inside. These tomatoes were grown on the side of Mount Vesuvius.
Whoa.
Wow.
Okay, I want my daughter to learn. We have 6 Italian sense that you kind of know when the spaghetti is getting ready, right?
Yeah.
You feel it, don't you feel it? Try to feel it.
Yeah.
Try to think about the spaghetti. How far off are we from finished cooking?
Like 7 minutes.
No,
No,
7
5.
minutes, no. Because if it takes 8 minutes total, we've put them in about 3 minutes, 4 minutes ago. What do you think?
3 minutes.
4.
Okay, so we've got another 4 minutes to go. That's another interesting thing, guys. You always want to take it out a little bit before so that they're a bit crunchy, and then we're gonna
Al dente.
stir them into the sauce.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my goodness, it looks so good.
We need a little bit of salt, chef. Good, now stir it in. Okay, now you think we can convert him? That's what I'm talking
that's
about. That's really good. Guys, I don't want you to forget about the spaghetti, yeah?
Oh, it's almost ready.
You feel it, right? We're done.
Okay.
Beautiful. And we're gonna add some pasta water. Okay. But you see what I'm doing? You know why I'm shaking it so hard? It literally binds the starch in the pasta water with the sauce and the pasta all together. It's like almost you're creating, you know when you create glue or slime?
It's like science, but with pasta.
It's science with pasta. So the starchiness, that starch combined with the sauces, the fat parts, the fatty parts of the extra virgin olive oil, the tuna, everything creates that creaminess, okay?
Good.
You see how much the cream? Look at this cream. Now, I'm gonna do this, look. Hold on, bravo. A little bit of that creaminess. Shh, beautiful.
Madonna mia!
Esatto.
Oh my.
Then I'm gonna turn my son into a Puttanesca with tuna believer. 'Cause I'm a believer.
Really good.
Right?
Yes.
And how long did it take us to make?
15 minutes.
Do you think that if one day you bring a girl that I will be satisfied with and you make this dish to her, do you think she's going to be a believer too?
Yes. Without the capers.
She would definitely fall in love.
Do you see how it melts in your mouth, that creaminess with the starchiness and the oils and everything? We basically created a tuna cream.
OMG. I love this. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.